New in Camtasia 2020 is this replaceable media. So let's look at how we can use replaceable media. The way we'll do it is we'll have a video and we'll grab something from our media bin and just drag it in and replace it by just hovering over top of that track. Let's see this in action inside Camtasia. I'll go up to my library and I'll choose another one. All right, I'll grab these neon stalks, whatever those are. And I'll drag that down. Now, as I drag it down and I continue to move, I see everything's outlined in blue. But if I wait and hover over this, notice that the outline changes to green. That means that I can replace it. Now, I'm going to let go of my mouse, and I see I have some replacement options. I can do a ripple replace, which will push everything out. It will keep the length of this initial video, however long it is, and push everything else out, or if it's shorter, it will move everything back. I can replace from start, so if this is a longer video that I'm bringing in, it'll say, I'll start it at the normal place and I'll keep the ending at exactly the same place. I can replace from end, which of course does the opposite of that. It says, all right, I'll find the end of this, I'll match it with the end of this, and then we'll just cut off anything at the beginning that we didn't need. Or I can replace with clip speed. So this clip is a little over 4 seconds. Let's say neon stalks was like 8 seconds. Then it would shrink it, it would move it down so that it still plays all 8 seconds, but squishes it inside those 4 seconds. So it'll just play everything faster. Or if this neon stalks is slower, then what I would do is have it expand in time. And so it would play slower so that it could fill up the time that we have here. Now, I don't know how long that neon stalks is, so I'll just say ripple replace. And it looks like it's much longer. Okay, no problem. What I'll do is I'll undo that real quick because I really do want this to change right where it is. So I'll just try it once more. I'll grab it, drag it, I'll wait for a moment. It changes green. And what I do want to do is replace from start, because the important thing here is I'm changing from one to another, and it does happen right here at this break. All right, so let's play through that and see what happens. So we have the stalks, and then it zooms, and then it comes back, and there we are in the mountains.